Jews got blocks. Who's mostly doting down to the shoe shop? Around, it's a bet late. Didn't know me 91, bet they know me now. I'm the young Harlem nigga with the Goldie sound. Can't no kid me down, cooler. School me to the game. Now, who's hot, who not? Tell me who rock, who sell out in the stores. You tell me who flop, who cop, guarantee a million shells for the level up. You don't believe in Harlem World?
Why they yelling?
Because they might be talking to a large group of people.
Do it again.
You can tell America came in around this time, you know? It's a real...
1929?
Yeah. It's a real...
Yeah, it look westernized.
Yeah.
Different from they buildings now. They buildings now look weird.
I don't.
They just look, I don't know. They look real modern.
Yeah, because it's 2020. They took a lot of...
Ain't no Bagogi though.
They say big Bagogi
This is
bird.
what they wrap it up.
I'm just telling you that you got a Bagogi bird.
Alright, so we at lotteria right now. And
What's lotteria?
it's like McDonald's. Eat your fries?
Yeah. Are you eating them?
You sure?
I got regular fries.
Oh yeah, I asked for some cheese or something. Anyway, we at lotteria. We're in South Korea. It's like McDonald's. Show y'all around real quick. Here at Independence Hall. She said we're gonna do a mukbang. I don't know what a mukbang is. This is when you eat and you record what you're eating.
You want to try? That's upside down. Nisi, oh, what she got? Nisi got.
What she got?
Look at Nisi food.
Can't go wrong with tenders.
Hey, drop it. Nisi got tenders.
You can't go wrong with tenders.
Christian phone over here. Blowing up.
Spicy.
What you get?
It's like Sprite, but it ain't.
Oh my god.
It's crispy. It's like a chicken nugget.
It's good.
It smells good. Yeah, it's a chicken nugget.
Man, no ketchup.
There you go, you got it. That's what they gave you.
What am I supposed to do? One ketchup.
Spread it out thinly.
Knife.
This is really good, y'all. So if you see the people in the background, those are the rockers and Nisi.
Yeah. Republic of Korea. They're in the military. Yeah, the Royal Army. You can tell like the way how like our Navy has different uniforms. So they have the same uniform, but they switch the stitch.
Yeah.
So
So these people are in the Navy. What's wrong?
what it tastes like?
It don't taste like honey mustard. You wanna try it? Not the way you cooking. What's it?
I'm supposed to pour it in here.
Your 60?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it says the shake nuggets or some shit like that.
Shake. Okay, put it down.
I'm gonna try my burger first.
That's how, what is her name? Patty? Yeah, my burger.
You see how you said it?
For the record, this tastes way better than McDonald's.
Nice.
McDonald's could never.
It tastes healthier.
And the sauce on this burger is
Mexican chili.
You're not even gonna like that.
That's the only thing in English on here.
Well, she already got her ice cream. We're going back for ice cream for the mukbang.
So that
But you gotta put your hand behind it to focus it, they say.
no, I don't. This focus right there.
Is this the Oreo one? Yeah.
That's what I'm
Yeah, I'm
getting.
getting that too. We have
This chicken is hot.
this burger good. Oh shit. Honey, I got on white. Don't waste that on me.
Oh man.
Did you smell it?
No, it made me feel like I had to sneeze. Well, why telling me to breathe? I know. I just hold my breath.
You say your wife told you to breathe?
Yeah.
This look like ice.
See?
That's a big old worm in the camera.
I don't know. This honey mustard tastes kind of weird.
Sure, mustard.
It might be honey Dijon. Oh no, it's a more.
But these chicken tenders.
So that's ginger ale.
You don't think?
It ain't Sprite.
I said it's light spray.
It's like ginger ale.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is, Toni.
No, it's not.
What is Sierra Mist? Oh, these Pepsi products. So it ain't Sprite, it's Sierra Mist.
I got Coke.
That's not Coke, that's Pepsi.
It's cider. It's cheesy.
Mine said Coke and that said cider.
I'm gonna put a picture of what it is, cause you think it's ginger ale.
It's a mukbang.
It don't even look like ginger ale. You know what I'm
Ginger
saying?
red is like yellowish.
That's some haters.
Your
I
chili
gotta
cheese.
sneeze.
Yeah, the chili cheese.
Oh, I was like, what the hell?
She always cussing in our videos.
Oh, shoot. Sorry.
Yeah, we gonna bleep it out.
And you know what? Before the army, I never cursed.
Because I'm a sailor.
I did. I was like, it's not ladylike to curse.
I try not to cuss when I'm Aubrey though.
Yeah, you were ass. You guys,
Can I take your burger? I'm just playing.
What?
Yeah. Your sauce is nasty.
It's sweet.
My sauce tastes like honey mustard and Thousand Island. You need some napkins? Why are you looking?
Chili cheese powder all over.
And look at that.
What's that?
My sauce from my birthday.
How you do that?
Some lettuce and bacon.
Ain't following you though, right?
She messy.
Man, I gotta spread this sauce out real big.
What?
Don't do that, Toni. You are. I'm not a messy eater. I just eat like a kid.
Alright.
I smell it. It smells strong.
I'm tearing up.
I'm not gonna eat that.
I am gonna eat it. I need to get it off my fingers.
Stand up.
Let's go. Alright, y'all. Chili cheese and Mexican chili.
And you know what? That's what I was about
Oh,
to
that's
get
good.
to. I was like, never mind.
It's good.
Hell yeah.
Is it spicy? It's strong.
It is.
Real?
I gotta sneeze.
Bad.
It's extra sweet.
Hey, you got one more time.
No more times.
For real, COVID.
Okay, guys, we're about to get ready to leave.
Hey, so this dot, if it turned red, it means I got COVID.
I thought this was
temperature.
I ain't know that. This is so cool. They so high speed. They so high speed. It's hot in here.
What you got on all them clothes?
I got literally a spaghetti string.
Oh. Thank you. Gee, Willikers.
Yeah, it was like eating your burger right next to
Because
you.
I'm struggling. Fly. Tony, what is this?
Chicken nuggets. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off so I can eat in peace.
Right here. She keep calling you baloney. You know what I'm saying? She keep calling you baloney. What is this?
Behind you.
I was looking for you. Come on, come on.
I can't read no damn.
It's hungry.
Well, I can't read that either.
Say hungry.
Shit, I can't read that either.
Hungry. I like water.
I don't care. It feels good in this building.
I can barely read English now.
Bruh.
They say touch the water drops on the screen.
Oh. Mine opened. I don't know what it says.
English.
Anybody that knows Hangul, please teach me.
Where Kim at? We need him. Why the instructions in English?
I don't know, babe. That made me feel like this side.
It's backwards.
See it on the TV. Y'all see
Yeah, it's backwards though. So if you had drawn on the balloon, it would have been there. See? Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
The shoes. The rope shoes.
Hey, let me get a size 10.
I need a size 8 and a half. 8 and a half. At the end.
Alright, I'll make sure I put it at the end.
Killer.
Sniper.
Killer. He got one eye open.
They trying to figure out where they at. They flying over here. Please. It wasn't me. It was Maloney. Maloney did it. Let's not me. Thank you. It was you, Maloney.
Yo, I guess the speaker started making noise.
She got scared.
She got scared. She jumped.
They
She
won.
just started yelling at me.
They won, babe.
Okay, you go first. Kim, Tony, you go first.
Kim, go.
I go first. Y'all go first.
Baloney standing next to you to get my reaction.
Alright. Nothing's here.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there it is.
Oh.
There it is.
Damn.
I was
can't even
scared.
see it. Yeah, I couldn't even see
I
it.
thought it had like a little pathway.
Knew someone was gonna jump out.
Oh.
There's one up there too.
What the hell? Where he came from? Cause I looked up here.
Those are Korean army.
Look, y'all, we would have been dead.
Uh-huh.
We would have been dead.
Man.
The snipers killed us today.
I don't know. He's
So they locked the Koreans in this little house and they blew it up. They on the phone. I'm trying to tell y'all about how they blew up the Koreans in the house. Hey Leroy, tell YouTube, hey.
Alright, bro.
They burnt them in the house. See, the house is on fire now. They burnt them in the house.
Dang, daughter.
That's a belief right there.
Japanese chemical dug out the buried bodies, threw them into heat, poured lamp oil on them, and set fire to them. In some cases, Japanese troops buried or burned Koreans alive and put them in large towels and poured boiling water upon them. That is.
That's crazy.
All right. So, go ahead. Oh, snap. Man. What y'all watching? Why they get to sit down and y'all don't?
They might be.
Boy, these look real as hell.
They might be I would tell you who they are, but I can't read it.
I seen this dude right here on Law and Order.
Tell
Him right here with the red tie.
you saw him on Law and Order?
You
Yeah.
know what? He looked familiar.
He the psychiatrist.
But I saw him.
He is.
I don't talk to him.
Yo, the camera's tripping. It's too many faces.
Baloney.
Alright. That's crazy. What's that? What's that? Oh, you're supposed to step in it, all of them.
Oh, they didn't.
Why did they do that earlier this last?
They had it in all of them. Look at it. Putting the 6th stamp for all 6 places.
But they only got the paper right here.
No, they had them at the other exits. Yeah. So we are at Independence Hall.
Yep.
We just went through all 6 exhibits.
Now we gotta go to the
Special.
exhibitation.
What? This is a special exhibit.
Yeah. The special something. They only know. The special something.
I don't know.
Exhibition. Exhibitation.
Exhibition.
Oh, the special exhibition of Korea.
Exhibit.
Man, I don't know what.
Exhibitation.
Exhibit.
What the hell is an
Exhibition.
exhibitation?
Indentation. Indentation.
I hope it's closed.
What do you mean?
Exhibition.
Exhibition. It's the exhibition.
Hooked
the
on
smart
phonics.
You said hooked on phonics.
Yeah.
Don't talk to me,
Your
baloney.
pronunciation is all off.
Baloney.
Exhibition.
Baloney.
Exhibition.
Baloney. Did y'all know that it's Bologna? I never knew that it was Bologna.
So, like I said, we are at the Independence Hall.
We was watching Keeping Up with Mr. Cooper.
Having our
Always
little
chilling with Mr. Cooper.
hanging with Mr. Cooper.
Hanging.
Man.
The mixed reality theater is
it's closed. Let me turn this around so they can see where we're going.
That's closed. I bet we all got it wrong. Kind of when we walk up to the sign, tell us what it says.
Exhibition.
Exhibition?
Exhibition.
Exhibition? Yes. The smart. Oh, the special. The special. My man's coming off. They ain't walking on these foods. I don't know what it is.
Exhibition.
He gave y'all a map.
I don't know what my map is.
You threw it away?
Really threw hers away. Here it goes.
Exhibition.
The special
Exhibition.
exhibition.
Why it sound weird coming?
It don't sound no weird.
Exhibition.
Yeah.
It sound weird coming out of your
Of
mouth.
Korean National Associated
We ain't slow.
Exhibition.
We said it.
No, you didn't.
I've been saying exhibition the whole time.
Y'all been separating it.
I think it's closed. The exhibition. Oh, it's open. The exhibition.
Oh my gosh.
We made it to the special exhibition of the Korean Association of Artifacts.
Man.
It says footsteps of the Independence Army, but this is modern day Jesus sandals.
Nah, them the new Kanye's.
Let's go.
Them the new Yeezys.
Oh, here, go with the soul. This is what you want.
A bayonet.
Oh, that's what it's called?
Yeah.
Okay. I want that. Hook it up there and then be like,
You see the little hole on the handle?
where it go?
The hole in the handle go on that part on the muzzle.
Oh, right there with the little hook?
Yeah.
Okay. I want one of them, Tony.
You want a bayonet?
Yeah.
If anybody get that close to you,
I'm killing them.
you can shoot them if they get that close.
I want to stab them.
Oh, man.
Potatoes.
She got them yams.
It made no yams. You're so mean. They looking like, why are y'all taking a picture of us? You tired, okay?
He look mean.
Which one?
This one
Right
right here. Yeah. I just zoomed in on them too.
What time we can write on?
To and from who?
And then you just leave it? Yeah.
Don't move. That's a
Right,
big
wait.
picture.
Tell the people, this is Kim. He's our tour guide. Very awesome.
It's
Thank
kind
you
of
for
loud. I
all
don't
of your
think
help.
Thanks for your service, sir.
Thank you for your service, Kim. That's Katusa.
Yeah, right.
Our tour guide. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. We love you guys. See you next time. Bye.
I don't wanna give you the wrong impression.